Yes, guys, Cardo is back, doing it Cardo's way. Let's talk about how it has been warming up and I decided to go fishing. Look at the honey hole. Yes, this is the honey hole. I can't tell you where it is. But after making my first couple casts, look what I got. And with that, the season has begun. So after catching that one, look what I got at the dock. Yes, man, this is the dock. Caught my supper. Well, you already know, Cardo is back, so subscribe, turn on post notification. We'll be posting a lot of videos.